Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for the Color Rush Studio, and I am looking at this December 2025 kit that is full of all kinds of exclusives and goodies from Bella Boulevard. So I've got this acrylic from the acrylic kit, and it reads "You and Me," and I'm like, And I also have this photo of my daughter and myself in front of the Mercer Williams house in Savannah. So that's where we have it started. I knew that I had an acrylic that was like a two people kind of acrylic. So yes, I have a you and me. I've got this kind of like this placement. So we'll see how that goes. We don't know yet. So that's the planning I've done so far. Now, the Mercer Williams house is where Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil was. A lot of it was filmed there in the garden with John Cusack, and it was just such a cool vibe that I was like, okay, let's see. I gutted this because I needed the black. Let's see what we want to do. So the orange, no. Well, it says Home Sweet Home. It's not our home, but that's interesting. That's cute. Okay. Some of that. Then we've got all of these homes here, and that works too because the neighborhoods are amazing. So we have that. So I'm liking the look here. The color's off a little bit there, but that's gorgeous. The yellow isn't bad. She's wearing a blue baseball cap that reads Sav, S-A-V on it for Savannah. This color's not working. Although there's all kinds of people that were bicycling around. We've got these gorgeous florals. Oh, that pink is nice. The pink with the pink with the pink. That is, well, yeah, clearly almost everything is an option. Oh, look at these pink hearts. What's on the other side? Oh, this is a really good paper too. It has all of these little sentiments. It has snippets on it. Okay. So this is a rather plain looking paper. Oh, and then this paper here, it's this really gorgeously thick piece of white cardstock that just separated my kits. And I was like, well, that's cool. So I'm kind of feeling like torn paper-y. Yes, I am. And that's super descriptive. So I've got this you and me. Is there a coating on it? I don't think there is. Or at least I don't see any bubbles. Let me do it from the back. But who knows? It doesn't feel like it. All right, we're going to pretend it doesn't because it looks perfect. So I like this pink, probably because it goes really well with the, it goes really well with my title. So, and I really like these houses. So I'm kind of thinking, let me start with the houses because I know I really like them, right? Where is, you guys, I have this really, here it is. I was going to say I have this really thick, sturdy ruler. So let me see about doing some kind of tearsy thing to start. You guys, I have to sneeze. It's getting bad. Excuse me. I knew I had to sneeze. Now, I think it might be fun to do some skinny little strips on here with torn edges. So let me line that up right about, I want it right underneath these other elements. So let's see. Who knows? Might be great. It might not. I might need to tear it the other way. Okay. So that's okay. Ooh, look at that green. Okay. So it makes me think that tearing it this way isn't giving me what I want. Guys, why am I struggling? I mean, it's fine, except for I just didn't want any of that showing. Okay, let's try again. What I really need to do is tear it away from me, but I don't want to flip it over and do it that, oh gosh, that already started going up. I didn't want to flip it over to tear it because I wouldn't be able to see the seam. So long and short of it is, I'm going to tear strips from all of the papers I showed you, and I'll meet you right back here. So I've torn 5 different strips, and I'm liking actually just the look of the tearing. I'm going to stagger them down, maybe add a few stitches. Just what color do I have in my machine? I have black in my machine. Okay, so I will use black. I will use some black touches. That's perfectly great. Let's see. I wouldn't mind also bringing in some doodle pops. Ooh, and I've got frazzles and ribbons. You know, I feature them really strongly in my last layout. So let me get these pieces down, do a little bit of zigzaggy stuff. Excuse me. And then I'll meet you right back here. Okay, so I've got a couple little stitchy marks on, which brings in black quite nicely. And I have a scrap of this adorable little polka dot that I used this on my last layout, but this is just a piece that I gutted because I love using the big old rainbow bits. Or let me rephrase it. I love using a diagonal stripe for a mat. So I went ahead and gutted it ahead of time because I was like, you know what? It needs a little something. Okay, and since I'm trying to do a little bit of a scuffy scuff, I'm just going to take off the end here. And if you're like, well, the fishtail banner part isn't scuffed up, I found this little scufferator I had bought previously. And these only stay sharp for like 2 seconds, but I did find it in a drawer. And I'm like, okay, let's see if it'll work. This has a little blade on the inside. But if it's sharp right now, that'll do it. Just to give me a little scuffy scuff on it. Okay. There we go. Now we can go ahead and pop this on. Oh, let me use the hearts up above as a as kind of a measuring tool. So we have this, and then the you and me situation will show up that much more. That's great. So now I have to think, do I want to map my photo or am I good? I don't know. I also was thinking of using these little foamy bits that are so darned cute to add a little bit more color as well, because I want as much as possible. Now, what is this? The Mercer Williams house. So I think I will be spelling Mercer Williams with these letters. That would be perfect. And I was wondering if I could do, I don't know, if I did something like you and me, maybe it would be like this, but I don't want us, let's see, you and me. Is there an @ sign? No. Okay, I had this idea. It's gone. The idea did not work. All right, so you and me, I'm going to have Mercer Williams. And, ooh, look at the together that's going on. Foamy. Okay, here it is. Like where the foamies go. So at this point, it's just a matter of starting to add all the fun because my design's done. It's totally just a nice little angular something design. So that will be so fun. Let me get the little glittery bit. Look at how fun these are. Love them. Okay. And that would be taken care of, I think, all of the foamy bits because I used foam on other stuff. Oh my gosh. There are so many just, you guys see, I could not help myself. I kept using everything. There are so many gorgeous bits. Part of me thinks it would be fun. Actually, I think it would. Why don't I go ahead and get right in here? I want to cut out some of these plants. Now, all around Savannah, there's just tons and tons of greenery. So that would be a fun little touch. I can get this basket of plants right here. So we'll fussy cut out a couple of these things. we can have that going on. And like I said, I wanted to grab a bunch of these Bella Pops and do sprinkle sprinkle as well. So let's see. Ooh, and I've got this strip of sparkly bling. So let me make sure that is handy. So I have this. Oh, let's see. I've got, in the same pink, I've got a little floral piece. So let me make sure I have that over here. Oh my gosh. Okay, come on. Kim. There we go. So I can have that with a doodle pop, so I can have the same acrylics going every which way. And then is there anything else I need right now? This is like me looking at, I love that puppy, at all of these treasures. I'm going to have a bunch of this will come in a second. I think I can attach some things down, I think. Flowers. I think there's enough flowers I don't have to trim them out yet. That may happen on another layout though. Ooh, is there a camera? There is a camera there. I was gonna say I'll cut that out. Let me use the one on the sticker sheet first. And then, oh, I also have this really cool piece here. Now my last layout I did was on this piece. So I can use a clip or two near my photo to make it really interesting. Okay, I have some things I have to fussy cut out. I'll meet you right back here. Okay, so I have all of these pieces down. I was carefully placing them. And then let's get the main title tacked down. Now, I'm trying to figure out, do I want to do the black dots in this word Williams, or do I want to put little sparkly bits? This is very serious stuff. Ooh, there's a light pinky color. Let's see. See, I just didn't know, like, are you supposed to take this as a whole strip? Probably. And I'm, taking pieces off. But, oh, wait, this one's sticky. The other one, I took the adhesive off wrong. Okay, I had user error. That's okay. I'll just use a tiny bit of adhesive because I didn't know what I was doing at the time. Okay, come on, get on there. Okay, we have that. Now, this is like the layout done. So anything else I do, it's just like icing. So let's go ahead and just add more things. I thought it was super cute, these little flowers here. So that's cute. Oh, I like those little blings. Just something. Do you see what I mean? Just a little something on there. It's not even super showy. I like that. Okay. Now, I have these flowers and I would like to add some more on here. I mean, I just have so many elements and I'd like to get them all on at the same time. I did not cut out, oh my goodness, I did not cut out any of those tabs that we talked about. So I still have to do that. Where'd they go? Somebody took them. And by somebody, I mean, probably me. Where did I put them? Come on. I have them. Okay, still have this. I've got my sparkly bits that are super cute. Oh, here they are. So I wouldn't mind finding a little something to play up for those pieces too. Okay. Now, let's find, I can do a little baby blue down here. That would be fun to kind of end this little bit. This has become a diagonal and this is kind of a diagonal. So I guess it's just going to work. All right, so I have this one, which is super showy. I almost want to hang out with this one until my next layout. So we can do that. Let me bring some more of this really nice bold pop of blue up here though. Let's see. Don't have much for red. I do have enough of this little teal tone to bring it up. And then I already have the yellow. Let me do this really pale pink. So that's kind of like the trio of enamel dots that you put on things. And I'm also probably going to come in and use, actually maybe I'll use all of those black dots in a moment. That would be good. Now, the next thing I want to do is I have to cut a couple of the clippy things before I add more stuff. So give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got those little clippy things taken care of, and that was fun. Now I can go ahead and look and see what little bits and pieces we can put on here. Ooh, maybe I should have thought of this earlier. This is kind of fun. If I did this, it's going to play up more of that black and white. Okay. We might be doing just a little bit of surgery to make that happen, but we can do that. It's just adding interest here, there, and everywhere, which I do love to do. So we have that right there. And then finally, this is going to take a little bit of extra surgery. So give me a moment for us to get, for this to get peeled up a bit. So let me see. Okay, I had it right to the photo. Making sure what I had done before, 2 seconds ago. There we go. Gosh, why was that so hard? I don't know. Okay. So then let's go ahead and put this one here. This one can kind of shimmy in right there. And then we can finalize where this piece goes. Oh, looks like I didn't fully stick this one down, so we will be good. There we go. All right, super cute. Now, like I said, we still have these little black dots, but I want to see what else we can fit on here. So not a typical day. So cute. So cute. Let the good times roll. Blessed. Ooh, I like this word moments. So we're going to go in with that one. Happy. Oh, I can do happy moments. That would be good. You guys, it's getting so dark out early. I don't know how we're going to handle this. All right, so all I have to do at this point is I want to get these little black bits on. I'm going to get this happy moments on as soon as I find a little bit of this stuff. And you guys, this is going to be finished, which is so great. This was fun to put together. It's, anything by Bella, it's fun to work with. It's happy, it's cheerful, and everything just matches so beautifully. You can, if you're like me, have so many patterns on here, which pattern is kind of my thing, and it will still just work. So I love it. All right, let me get happy moments. We'll get the black dots on. Oh, maybe a couple of the hearts from the sticker sheet, and we'll call it done. So give me a moment. I'll show you my finished layout. Okay, that is this layout finished with all kinds. What just slid off? With all kinds of things here, there, and everywhere.